Hello everyone, my name is Anna Ayub and I'm from the e-learning academy. Today I'll be talking about Lightboard and how to make your Lightboard video. So I'll be sharing with you 5 tips on the best practices of creating Lightboard video. So right in front of me is the Lightboard. You can't see it yet, but I'm going to start writing now. So tips number 1, preparation. So as a performer, you need to think about how you're going to go about to conduct your lesson using the Lightboard. So it is important for you to plan out what it is that you want to show or what is it that you want to teach for that whole duration of the video, so that on the day of the recording, you know how to position yourself on screen and where is it that you want to write on the screen. Tip number 2, use of space. So never underestimate the importance of planning the use of space on the Lightboard. Remember that your Lightboard has quite a limited number of space where you can draw and annotate. So you need to think about where to position your text and where to position yourself as you are writing and annotating. And it's important not to be writing and writing over where you are standing, because then you would not to be able to maintain that eye contact with the learners. So it's important to keep a window on the screen of where you'll be standing and where you'll be doing your annotating. Now, it's also important to plan out and to be aware of the edge of space of your Lightboard screen, because you don't want to be writing, spending your whole time writing on the Lightboard screen and realizing that it's not actually captured on camera. Tips number 3, keep your video as short as possible and keep your text as tidy as possible. For example, I want to teach about this instructional system design model for Sam. Okay, put up the text there. Make sure that I write it down clearly. So you need to be aware of that it actually takes time to draw something, and it also takes time to rub off something on the screen. So all of those need to be considered when you're planning for this video. So you need to think about which part of the video you need to speed up and which part of the video that you may want to actually write it down and have it on screen. Tips number 4, record a short version first. Now the studio that we have is a very basic setup, so it has a minimal equipment, but it has the equipment in order to produce this Lightboard video. So keeping that in mind, you may want to test out your recording first, and then you may want to see the output, and if you're happy with how it turns out, then only you will create your final version or the longer version of your video. Tip number 5, what to wear. You may want to plan out a bit of what you are going to wear on the day of the recording. I would advise to wear a darker shade of color. Maybe you want to go with dark gray, charcoal, or dark blue, and stay away from very bright colors. And do not wear any accessory, because when you accessorize, it may make some noise when you move. Also pay attention where you put on your mic. You may want to also test this out first. I have my mic under my scarf, so you may want to have your mic tucked away somewhere under your coat. And remember to test it out with the video production specialist first, so that they'll be able to test out the quality of your recording. You don't want to end up having spent all those time recording and realizing that the mic is not turned on or the mic quality is very, very poor. So that's it, 5 tips on how to create your Lightboard. If you have any question or if you'd like to book for a session, you may be in touch with us at ela.helpdesk. Let me write that out. Okay, so that's all from me today and have a great day.